Democracy in India, Parliament debate of him, Assembly debate of him. Debate number duni lebak pioneers, lebak anglaris. Assembly manungda aranba achumba with evidence, with documents. Putong na ngang nagadam. Let the people know it. What exactly is happening in the state of Manipur? What exactly happening in our country? Madhupuna muktu debate of him, Parliament. Ngarang nung sidrayong. Ngarang ki parliament session lo repokanda mayam ama launa ragasu. Honorable Prime Minister na lead tawrkanda. Union Minister mayam. Even opposition ki leader Rahul Gandhi yauna sangaga khogi Lok Sabha ki speaker do the Kersi Korsale. That is the beauty of the democracy. I koi sida chu. Come on, let us debate inside the assembly. Nganga se laibak sida kari tauri kari lakadori kari taugi ngana gadabin. Not outside. Pakhum leiro de mpham ngang budu yadi. Ansar pina baya mpham du da debate to budu that is the real democracy. Ansar leiro de mpham da pangang budu de du. That is not democracy. Assembly later in assembly the lady elected members in we should discuss inside the assembly hall and we should show to the peoples who is right, who is wrong, and what is the policy of the state, what is the policy of the government. Sigi mayam se that is the beauty of the democracy. And mapan thokraga khana do insan baduna tab hayeng rally chalaga attack tawro foreign rally chalaga attack tawro. That's not the politics. Ai khoi manung da thugairaga kari kanaba rally chatpa kangbu yaning da kangbu yanaba kangbu khana radi Sinaradi, kanana mangjagani. Akoi praja, akoi masin ngata mangjagani. Leader waragadi, emotion du phada batam batai. Leader waragadi, praja singsibu bhap tana wari sabi batai. Aduna.